rule of conversion is, actually we are doing the obverted converted obverse. So actually there is no new rule for contraposition. So if we take a proposition, suppose all S is P. So actually what we have to do, first of all we have to obvert this proposition, then we will get this, then we have to convert it, then we will get this, and then again we have to obvert it, and this will be our answer. Okay, so the process is this way, but we will not write these two lines in our examination. We will just write this from this. The answer we will write only. The process I will show you now. So if it is a proposition, if we first obvert it, then it will become E proposition, no as is non-P. Then we have to convert it again. Conversion of E proposition is E. So it will become no non-P is as. And from E proposition, if we again obvert it, then it will become A, that is all non-P is non-S. Subject remains same and the predicate becomes contradictory, but we won't write these two lines in our exam. This is the process how to do the contraposition. Okay. So from A proposition we are getting again A proposition. Now this is E proposition. E proposition no S is P. If we first obvert it, then it will become all S is non-P. Now we have to convert the A proposition, but A proposition is converted to I proposition by limitation. We know that no simple conversion is done here, and that's why in place of our answer we have to write it that by limitation. So A proposition is converted to I, some non-P is S, and I proposition is obverted to O, that is some non-P is not non-S. Okay, so the process is obversion, conversion and obversion, and from E proposition we are getting O proposition. Okay, now coming on to I proposition, that is some S is P. I proposition is first of all obverted to O, that is some S is not non-P. But we know that obversion, O proposition cannot be converted, so we cannot get anything from this, and that's why our answer will be not possible. As we are not getting any conversion from O proposition, so we cannot proceed, and that's why our answer will be not possible. That is from O proposition, no contraposition can be done. That is from I proposition, sorry. And this is O proposition. O proposition is some S is not P. O proposition is obverted to I, that is some S is non-P. Then it is converted, I proposition converted to I again, some non-P is S, because the subject predicate position is changed, and the obversion of I proposition is O, that is some non-P is non-S. So from O proposition we are getting another O proposition, that is some non-P is non-S. You can see that I have written the therefore symbol in the last line only, because this is our answer. So in contraposition we are getting A from A proposition E, from E proposition O, from I proposition nothing, and O proposition to O proposition. And the simplest thing to remember that the subject predicate's position is changed, you can see, with contradiction. It becomes non-P, it becomes non-S. See, non-P and non-S. It is not possible. You can see non-P and non-S. Okay. So let's start with the contraposition. We now know the rules of contraposition, that is from A to E, E to O, from I it cannot be done, and from O to O. And the simplest rule is that the subject predicate will change their position being contradictory. Okay, so this is E proposition, no sinners are great men. E proposition, E to O. So some, and the subject predicate changes its positions with contradictories. No non-great men are not, as it is O proposition, non-sinners. Okay, no non-citizens are voters, it is again E proposition. So E to O, changing the position of the subject predicate, making it contradictory. Some non-voters are not, as it is O proposition. Non, now this is the term, total term, so no non-citizens. Some socialists are not democratic, this is O proposition, and O proposition turns to O again. Some non-democratic persons are not non-socialists. This is I proposition. Some cats are black, and from I it cannot be done, so not valid. All trees are useful. This is A proposition from A to E. So no non-useful things are non-trees. Some teachers are good writers. I proposition, it is not valid. Some politicians are not wise. This is O proposition, and it will be turned to O proposition again. Some non-wise beings are not non-politicians. This is a sentence. We have to first of all turn it into logical form. Most of the students are not industrious. Some students, most of the students means some. Some students are not industrious. O proposition, O to O again. So some non-industrious beings are not non-students. Learned are honored everywhere. This is also a sentence. We have to transform it. All learned are honored. A proposition, and A to E. A to E. So no non-learned beings are no non-honored beings are non-learned. E proposition. A few people are free. This is a sentence. It will be transformed into I proposition. Some people are free, and it is not valid. Honest are not scarcely valid. Scarcely is a negative word, and this is a negative sentence, so negative makes it positive. Some honest persons are happy. This is I proposition, and I proposition is not valid. Each and every man is mortal. This is a sentence. It will be transformed into all men are mortal. A proposition, and A to E. No non-mortals are non-man. E proposition. Every student is basically good. Again is a sentence. Will be transformed into A proposition. All students are basically good, and A is contraposed to E. No non-basically good students are non-students. All swans are not white will be transformed into O proposition. Some swans are not white, and it is contraposed to again O proposition. Some non-white beings are not non-swans. Man never are happy. This is again a sentence, so it will be transformed into no man are happy. E proposition, and E proposition to again O contraposition. Some non-happy beings are not non-man. Every man is not ignorant. Every with not will be transformed into O proposition. Some men are not ignorant, and O is contraposed to again O. Some non-ignorant persons are not non-man. Rich businessmen are never happy, so never will be turned to E proposition. No rich businessmen are honest, and E is contraposed to O. Some non-honest persons are not non-rich businessmen. No cat is red, simply E proposition. E is contraposed to O. Some non-cats are not non-cats. Some men are not wise. O proposition. Simply O proposition. So O proposition is contraposed to O. Some non-wise beings are not non-man. All Indians are non-Hindus. All with not will be transformed to O. Some Indians are not Hindus, and it is contraposed to O. Some non-Hindus are not non-Indians. Okay.